My name's Tina, and thanks to my partner Ben, we've ditched the 9 to 5 and are currently sailing around the UK in a motor sailor called Corsair. It's Ben's boat, I'm just along for the sail, so get your life jackets on because it's going to be a wavy ride. In this video, we travel from Grimsby super early in the morning to make it all the way to Wells next to sea. The Port of Wells used to be a major harbour back in the Tudor times and in the 18th and 19th century, due to its natural protection from the sea from the salt marshes. Because we were so close to the beach, the waves keep breaking, meaning that the boat almost surfed ashore. Wells has a really scary way to get to their pontoons. There is a river coming out of the beach which has a depth of 1.5 metres around high tide. This channel is quite long and goes really close to the beach, which you can see as we enter here. Our boat has a 1.5 metre keel and the channel is not that deep. At points we got really close to the bottom, so while Ben was trying to follow the cardinals in, I was nervously watching the depth gauge while waving at people from the beach. Yes, we were that close. Wells next to sea was a really cute sea-fronted village. For the Queen's Jubilee, there was lots of beacons lit up around the country. You can see one of these beacons on the other side of the river, along with the statue of a horse. This statue is called the Lifeboat Horse. It's made from steel bars and whiskey barrels in a tribute to all of the horses that used to pull the lifeboats here. We were very relieved to get in, having survived the shallow channel and had a bite to eat on the deck. Then we went to explore. There was loads of crab fishing going on right next to the pontoon, with people letting the crabs they caught wander back into the sea, which was quite entertaining to watch them. See the granary building with its long green loading gantry from 1905, which was used to store grain from ships from all over the world. The tides are really crazy here, with almost all the river that you can see drying up in low tide. It's quite a long walk to get to the Wells next to sea beach, but very worth it. The sun was amazing and it has a really long sandy beach, so lots of room for the masses of people who visit here, especially as we were here at a weekend. Because of the crazy tides, the town uses an old war siren to warn beachgoers when the tide is coming in, as it's really easy to get caught out here. On the long path back to town, there was a cute little shop where we could go get ice creams, opposite where the new lifeguard house will be. It would be rude not to, really. The next day, our uni friend Tash came to visit us. As a local, she knew the best place to visit for a spot of lunch, and might I say, the biggest tuna sandwich I've ever had. Then it was off to show Tash around the boat. Make sure to subscribe and watch out for our boat tour coming soon. Then, you guessed it, another walk down to the beach to soak up even more of the fabulous weather. When Tash had to go, we walked out to visit an old miniature railway. It used to run all the way from one end of the town to the Wells Harbour, running since 1972, but it was sadly dismantled in 2021, but we still got to sit in the carriages. Then it was one last night and up early in the morning to catch the high tide. Never too early for a bacon butty though. Out we go, wish us luck. What did you think about the video? Did we miss anything out that you found great about Wales Next to Sea? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more boating adventures. That's it for now, but we'll see you next time when we travel further down the East Coast.